Now,
Pasha,
yeah,
So
okay.
what made you come into television first, like the television debut first? So tell us something about it.
Well, it's been 5 years that I have been planning to do something on television, like most actors. But I really didn't want to follow the norm and do, the predictable music and dance reality judging, which is also a lot of fun to see. But I wanted to do something different. And I think this is right up my alley. This is my home turf, horror. And it's a genre which needs encouragement. And the kind of sync that AMTV people and I had was perfect because it is definitely one of those shows that you have not seen on television before. So it was perfect for me. I was like,
Kind of hint that we get it out of this small kind of a promo that was like before there was show called Koi Hai, Ahat. So it was the
but none of my promos are like that. If you have seen the promos, yes, we are talking about the genre of horror. So we have paranormal, supernatural, unsaid, unseen stories that you're going to see. And what's nice is these are going to be short episodic films. Each film, I do play the narrator, but I am not the typical narrator who reads from the teleprompter. So I'm going to play myself in each episode. And the integration that Raj and DK and the entire team has done, it's really fabulous. It's not something that you've seen before on television.
But correct me if I'm wrong.
Yes.
People do say that television is money making machine at times. So
Yes,
do you
why
agree?
not? Why if we are providing entertainment to such a huge viewer base, finally every business has to be money making. If it's not profitable, then it's not going to work for any one of us. So making money is not a bad thing. You should make money, I should make money, television should make money, and the viewers should make money. So yes, everyone should make money and be prosperous. And Diwali is coming, so yeah, make more money. So yeah, I don't think it's a bad thing. It's just that you're getting entertainment, and it's got a very modern and contemporary take on horror. It's not predictable. It's not something that you've seen. The style of shooting, the directors who have been roped in to make these short films, everything is very new age. So it's definitely the way television is, Indian television, the way it's expanding and the kind of content we are showing. We are actually moving away from the typical to Indian television. So it's, for me it was very exciting.
So my second last question to you.
Next turn.
He's asking all the questions for everyone. Okay.
So, have you seen the promo for Hey Story 3? Because it's been not
Well, it's, Vishal has been a part of my life from my second film, that's Raz, and Karan's really dear to me. I really wish this film huge success and stupendous opening.
तो currently bonding आपको किसके साथ अच्छी लगी देसी के साथ या
आज डर के बारे में बात करें?
अच्छा
Guys, we're here to talk about that.
Yeah.
So is Karan is inspiration to get into television or
TV is a very big medium for every actor, from Shah Rukh Khan to Amitabh Bachchan to just name it. Everybody is on television in today's time. Salman Khan. So yes, why should the heroines lag behind? Everyone should be doing their bit. Like I said, I don't like, to follow the norm, the typical way of doing things. I've never done it. I like to be a little unpredictable. But the only predictability in my case has been that I'm still supporting and encouraging a genre which has been, it's not got its due respect still. It's a genre which is still very experimental, but very exciting. So I'm supporting what I'm good at.
Hi, Alok here.
Hi, how are you?
I'm good. आप कैसे हैं?
First class.
और अभी आपकी जो कंपटीशन होगा वो सास बहुओं से भी होगा, एक तरफ सलमान भी होंगे, तो इस कंपटीशन को किस तरीके से देखते हैं, क्योंकि टीआरपी गेम होता है छोटे चैनल
जी जी आई थिंक कंटेंट इज किंग. हमें हमारा स्लॉट 10 बजे का है, शनिवार रविवार, and I think they will have a good dose of all kinds of entertainment on Saturdays and Sundays, and we are coming with something which is very new, which is exciting, thrilling, and these are short films, so it's not that there's going to be any continuation. So you're going to enjoy Saturday, then you're going to enjoy Sunday. So there's not like you have to, even if you miss, you can catch the repeats, but एक flow हम तोड़ नहीं रहे हैं. So I feel the way we have programmed, and worked on this series, it's going to be exciting because these are, new attempts to change Indian television. So, you know, you can have variety. You can just choose what you like to see. So nobody's saying this is bad or this is bad. You know, when you have variety, that's when you have a choice as a viewer to choose what you want to see.
And कौन से सीरीज इन जनरल आप देखती हैं टीवी पे जो आपको काफी पसंद है?
मैं देखती तो बहुत कुछ हूँ, but it's a mixed of TV series I like a lot. In Indian TV, reality shows भी मुझे बहुत पसंद है. You know, The Voice that they had on ANT TV was it's stupendous because, you know, you're promoting music and talent. So I see a lot of shows. But today I would like to push my show. Yeah.
अमित
Yeah, sorry, coming back. Yeah.
अच्छा भाषा मतलब इन दिनों लोग देख रहे हैं कि ढेर सारे मतलब फिल्मी एक्टर्स एंड एक्ट्रेस वो लोग छोटे पर्दे की ओर काफी आ रहे हैं. प्रियंका कॉन्टिन्यू कर रही हैं, जिनका होमलैंड किया था. तो मतलब अमेरिकन टीवी शोज
Yes.
उनके ऑफर आपको वो आप करना चाहिए.
ज़रूर करना चाहूँगी. I think it's content at the end of the day. मैं एक also, I think I'm taking the step of starting, you know, and playing a part in webisodes also. The whole concept that I'm doing, another show that I'm doing, The Clients, is that. So you want to push boundaries, you want to reach out more people, you are experimenting as an actor because, you know, film सिर्फ 2 घंटे 20 मिनट की होती है. उसमें बहुत सारे characters होते हैं. It's exciting. But to play a role over an arc of like maybe 3 seasons, 12 episodes each, it's very exciting for an actor. क्योंकि फिल्में तो मैंने की है बहुत और करती भी रहूँगी. But it's good to try and experiment, you know, the similar role of acting in different mediums.
भाषा इन दिनों मतलब ये भी देख रहे हैं हम लोग कि ढेर सारी हॉरर फिल्में आई हैं.
क्रीचर को तो मैं हॉरर अभी भी नहीं मानती हूँ. क्रीचर फीचर, या ओके.
लेकिन वो चली नहीं.
जी.
तो क्या हम मानें कि अब जो मतलब टिपिकल हॉरर फिल्म
जी.
का इंडिया में एक सैचुरेशन पॉइंट आ चुका है.
नहीं जी, ऐसा मत मानिए. बेचारों को पहले तो चांस तो दीजिए. You know that firstly people should make good films, and Creature was a creature feature. Yes, Alone was it was more of a romantic drama with the horror genre. Some films work, some films don't work. Comedy भी बहुत सारी नहीं चलती है, बहुत चलती हैं. तो इसका मतलब ये नहीं कि लोग बंद कर रहे हैं. You know, some brainless films are also made. कभी चल जाती है, कभी नहीं चलती है. तो you can't really specify as such कि ये नहीं चल रहा है, ये चल रहा है. You know, when people want to see it, they are going to see it.
राजन डिकेल शो से जुड़े हुए हैं.
Yes.
जॉम्बीज भी देखने को मिलेंगे शो.
अरे आपको सब देखने को मिलेगा. Supernatural, paranormal, like I said, unseen, unsaid, ghosts, spirits, spooky, everything in the show.
विपाशा को डर किससे लगता है?
मुझे सबसे ये जभी जो जितने नाम ले लिए ना मैंने, मुझे लगता है. So like I was.
इस चीजों को फील किया अपनी लाइफ में?
देखिए, it's a very tricky question when people ask me, do you believe in this or you don't you? See, nothing that you really completely, if I disbelieved, I don't think I would able to project it. पर अगर मैं सोचती हूँ कि क्या मैं सच में इनमें विश्वास करती हूँ, and I get cynical about it and I start thinking, then I say sometimes get practical. I say नहीं ऐसा नहीं हो सकता है. You know, it's all bullshit. But there are times that when I see something, I get scared. So इसका मतलब, you know, there are things which you can't explain happen at times. So I don't have an answer to it that ये सब होता है नहीं होता है. But अगर होता तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता. That's the truth.
शो में आप सूत्रधार हैं, लेकिन कहीं ना
Have you
कहीं
started?
Sorry,
Have
just
you started shooting for your show?
yes, I have.
And so tell us about your experience. And you said you're scared of everything.
Yes.
So what do you have to tell you?
Well,
tell us about
I think the stories are the major attraction. They are fantastic stories, and very credible actors are playing important parts, and very interesting directors. You know, the team of directors are very interesting, and the way they are shooting these films is very unique. My bit is being shot by Rajan DK, and it's their idea, it's their brainchild, and I think they have beautifully tried to integrate me into the stories. So it's very spooky. The little bits I've shot like a couple of episodes, and it's very, very spooky.
भाषा आपने बड़े पर्दे पर कई हॉरर फिल्में की हैं. अब जब आप छोटे पर्दे पर आई हैं तो हॉरर शो
आपका शो देखें? क्या आनंद
क्योंकि
है?
अच्छा शो है.
क्या खास
शो अगर अच्छा नहीं होगा मैडम आप देखेंगी नहीं. So it's going to be, like I just told you so much about the show. Like it's definitely a kind of horror show that you have never seen on Indian television. The content is fantastic. The kind of talent that we have, the talent bank who are a part of these individual stories are very different and varied. ऐसा daily soap की तरह नहीं बन रहा है. It's thought of, planned and made. So it's, you know, there's a lot of thought that has been put into this show. So मुझे यकीन है आपको पसंद आएगा.
हॉरर शो की आइकॉन अगर मैं कहूँ तो गलत नहीं होगा, आपको हॉरर फिल्मों की अगर आइकॉन कहूँ तो गलत नहीं होगा. कितना इन्वॉल्वमेंट रखेंगे जो स्टोरीज इसमें होंगी, मतलब आपका इन्वॉल्वमेंट होगा कि आप स्टोरीज को सेलेक्ट करेंगी या ये लोगों को पसंद आएगी या नहीं आएगी?
देखिए, the bank has already been made. It's all ready.
कितना involvement
It was
रहा आपका?
all. देखिए, मैंने तो स्टोरी लिखी नहीं है, बनाई नहीं है, ना ही एग्जीक्यूट की है. I'm playing the role of an actor. I'm playing Bipasha Basu, and I'm encouraging the genre of horror because I enjoy watching it. Involvement in terms of, yes, the way it looks. You know, I like to speak a lot, and I have my two bits in everything that I do. So yes, I am not the artist who just comes on set on that day, karke chali gayi. I am always interested in the things that I am a part of. And that's why I've chosen this TV show, you know, as my debut. So it's been thought. I have been offered a lot of TV shows, lots, which have all worked, but I have not regretted not being a part of it.
Any name
Because,
जो आपको offer
नहीं, मैं नाम नहीं लूँगी क्योंकि for all you know, my second TV show would be the same ones. You know, because there was nothing against it. It was just that my first one should be something different that not everybody does.
ऐसा कि आप टीवी पे आप डेब्यू कर ही चुकी, तो आप सास बहू वाले जो शोज हैं उसको करना पसंद करेंगे?
नहीं, मैं सूट नहीं होती हूँ. मैं ट्राई करूँगी. आई एम अ वेरी कन्विंसिंग एक्टर. इफ़ यू सेल इट टू मी वेल एंड इफ़ आई वांट टू बी अ पार्ट ऑफ इट, मैं ट्राई कर सकती हूँ. पर आई डोंट थिंक पीपल कैन इमेजिन मी इन दैट.
आप अलग अलग जगहों पे घूमने भी जाते हैं कभी हिमालय?
मैं बहुत घूमती हूँ.
तो कभी-
मैं लास्ट 6 महीने सिर्फ घूम रही थी.
I know. तो कभी कुछ ऐसी जगह हैं या कोई ऐसी वारदात हुई हो जिसके बारे में आप जिक्र करना चाहें जहाँ डर लगा हो, कोई ऐसा खुफिया?
देश में ऐसी बहुत सारी जगह हैं जो
कई
haunted
जगह
हैं।
हैं जो हॉन्टेड है.
देश क्यों, मुंबई में कितनी हॉन्टेड जगह है.
अभी कोई अगर वाकया शेयर करना चाहें?
देखिए, पहले भी आप लोगों के साथ शेयर किया है मैंने. मेरे साथ एक्चुअली जो रीसेंट आई वुड से व्हेन आई शॉट फॉर आत्मा, वी वर शूटिंग इन समवेयर न्यू बॉम्बे. रात को शूट चल रहा था. 2 चीज़ें हुई थी मेरे साथ विच आर अनएक्सप्लेन, लाइक नोबडी कुड एक्सप्लेन व्हाट इट वाज. जब बोलती हूँ तो छोटा लगता है, बट एट दैट मोमेंट इट वाज क्वाइट अ बिट. वी वर शूटिंग सिंक साउंड, सो माइक हैज़ टू बी ऑन ऑल द टाइम and you can't, it has to be pin drop silence. So every time my director would say action, there was a lady assistant director with me and everybody else was on the other side, and we could hear a girl singing, me and her. So I said, I'm not going to do the action because I can hear the sound, because you're going to make me do it again. So they kept on saying, no action, there's no sound. So I was so angry, but I did my shot, and then I went to the sound guy. I said, play back. Play it now. So they played it. There was no sound.
विपाशा,
So it was very weird. For her and me, we were like, I don't know what we were listening to.
विपाशा, प्रोमो शूट की भी एक कहानी है. जब आप प्रोमो शूट कर रही थी तो शायद डायरेक्टर ने खुद उसमें अपना इन्वॉल्वमेंट दिखाया, आपका गला
अगर आप लोग सुपर्ण वर्मा को पहचानते हैं तो he is a totally mad, crazy guy. And thankfully I compliment him because I'm equally mad. I like to have a lot of fun on set while shooting. So हाँ, तो Supern was very proactive, and actually instead of getting someone else to do the hand shot, he had offered his own hand for the scare bit. तो हाँ, हम लोग की tuning बहुत अच्छी है. So yeah, we had a lot of fun shooting that.
विपाशा, आपने कहा कि और इंडिया में अभी तक ऐसा शो नहीं आया है, तो क्या आपको लगता है कि आपके शो के आने के बाद जो भी सास बहू टाइप के शो है उनको
हॉरर शो नहीं आया है.
हॉरर शो नहीं आया तो वो टीआरपी के इसमें सीरियस को पीछे कर सकता है आपका शो?
मैंने ऐसा कभी कुछ नहीं कहा. आप मेरे बात को बहुत ज़्यादा कुछ it's misconstruing my words, ma'am. I said there is a lot of variety on Indian television. There has been no Indian horror show like the show that we are doing. So I'm talking about a genre of shows. नहीं, आपको करण से बहुत प्यार है ना. I am not answering ask questions about my dar.
आपको जानना चाहेंगे विपाशा, जैसे
हाँ.
आपने कहा कि आप अच्छी एक्ट्रेस है, आप गॉर्जियस है, आप हॉट है, आप सेक्सी है, आपकी पिक्चरें अच्छी चलती है, आपकी फैन फॉलोइंग ह्यूज है, तो कहाँ आप कहीं कम पड़ गई है कि अब डायरेक्टर से अप्रोच करने में, प्रोड्यूसर से अप्रोच करने में, कि आपको फिल्में कम रही है सेकंड पड़ाव में, आपको जाना जरूरी समझा कि भाई ये सेकंड पड़ाव आपके लिए अच्छा है?
अच्छा, आपको एक बात बताती हूँ मेरे बारे में. I became an actress by chance because I was bored of modeling. तो मुझे अजनबी ऑफ़र हुई थी और मैंने बोला अच्छा ट्रैवल है एंड इट्स नॉट अ स्टीरियोटिपिकल रोल, तो मैं करती हूँ. उसके बाद मुझे फिल्में नहीं करनी थी. इवन आखिरी मुगल में जब मेरा सिलेक्शन हुआ था, इट वॉज अंडर फोर्स आई सेड येस बिकॉज मैं बहुत छोटी थी. आई वॉज 17-18 एंड मुझे JP दत्ता और जया बच्चन से डर लग गया था, सो आई कुडंट से नो टू देम. सो राज मैंने की क्योंकि लीजा रे ने 2 दिन शूट करके छोड़ दिया और फिर मुकेश जी ने मुझे सेंटिमेंटल करके उस पिक्चर को बोला कि आप कर दो, क्यों मेरे हमारे पास हीरोइन नहीं है. एंड आई यूज्ड टू बी डीनोज फ्रेंड देन, अदरवाइज पिक्चर बंद हो जाती. सो मेरी जो लाइफ है ना, मैंने कभी प्लान नहीं की है और ना ही मैं ज़्यादा एम्बिशियस हूँ. जैसा उन्होंने कहा आप इतनी जगह घूमती हैं, मुझे लगता है कि यू नो आई हैव स्टार्टेड वर्क इन 2001 and I have done a lot of work, but at the same time I have lived my life and I believe अगर मुझे फेम मिली है, मैंने पैसे कमाए हैं, if I don't live my life, if I don't give time to myself now, ज़िंदगी बीत जाती है. जैसे 14 साल चले गए मुझे समझ ही नहीं आया because this business saps a lot out of you. So for me it's very important that I have to love my work, so I do it in adequate doses. हाँ, मैं किसी को चेज़ नहीं कर पाती हूँ क्योंकि मेरा माइंडसेट ही वैसा नहीं है, क्योंकि मैंने कभी ना किया है ना मुझे कभी करना है.
You've been given the title of Queen of Fear. So what do you have to say about that?
I love it. You know, I have to say that बहुत मुश्किल से लोगों को टैग मिलता है. मुझे मेरी पूरी my whole from the time I started to now I've got many tags. So I'm very excited because nobody has a tag as unique as that in the entire film fraternity. You go back years back also till now, there's nobody who has a tag like that. So I'm going to just sit and enjoy it. Yeah, because I think it's there's a reason why you get these tags. It's because you are doing something right. It's not that if you're doing something wrong you'll get a tag. So I'm very happy with that. Yeah. ये तो मैं खुद ही समझने की कोशिश करती हूँ क्योंकि ये बहुत आयरॉनिकल है मेरे लिए. बचपन से मैं घर की डरपोक हूँ और इतनी बड़ी हो गई हूँ, देख के बहुत मैं लगती हूँ कि बहुत स्ट्रांग हूँ, डेयरिंग हूँ, पर मुझे छोटी से छोटी चीज़ों से डर लगता है. और पता नहीं क्यों, इट्स द भूतों से तो मुझे बहुत डर लगता है, पर मैं फिल्मों में भूतों से लड़ती हूँ. पर आई डोंट नो, इट्स अ आयरनी ऑफ लाइफ, I have also not been able to figure it out. But yes, I am attracted to subjects, not because of just the genre. It's also because of the content of the film. देखिए 5 की होंगी, 65 फिल्म्स में 5 मेरी हॉरर फिल्म होगी. आप लोग 60 भूल जाते हैं, 5 को याद रखते हैं. In the recent times, yes. देखिए छोटे बच्चे तो थोड़ा डरेंगे तो ना देखें, पर बाकी सब देख सकते हैं. बाकी बड़े लोग बहुत बड़े हैं जी. हर एपिसोड में रहेगा.
विपाशा का कोई थीम म्यूजिक भी है जैसे हर एक डर के शोज का होता है?
See, even in our promos we have very fantastic music done by Hitesh. अभी we are still in the post production stage. So yes, we surely will listen to this. Point to be taken. एक अच्छा पॉइंट भी मिल गया मुझे, एक और चीज़ डिस्कस करने का.
Last question, please. Talking about your new web series, Climb.
Today only you want to talk? We'll talk about it some other day. Because he asked me, that's why I said, I have to do something new.
Just a tiny question. You've done so many films on screen, beautiful films. Why web series?
Why not? Netflix
You think
is
it has better
Netflix internationally is the biggest giant. Kevin Spacey to the likes of all the biggest actors are in it. Mediums of communication are changing. The times are moving very fast. Soon, it's all going to be web series. You know, it's the new age. It's exactly like films. We are shooting it exactly like film. It's the film unit. It's everything is film. It's just that it doesn't end in 2 hours, 10 minutes. We see a broader picture. So it's more exciting to work on your character because you can actually take it from here to there and do wonderful things. And there is no censorship. That's the best part. Yeah. Thank you. Thank you guys. हो गया अभी?